Interest is the feature of money market fund where maybe we'll spend some time and try to understand because that's how we get to earn from a money market fund. And the first question you might be asking yourself, how much interest is paid by money market funds? So money market funds are offered by very many companies in our Kenyan financial system. I think there are around 25 companies or so. That is a mixture of commercial banks and insurance companies that offer money market funds. So the interest rate you get from your money market fund depends on the company in which you have invested your money. So the 25 different companies have different rates per day. So I was checking as at April 27, 2024, the money market fund that was offering the highest rate of interest was at 18.26, which I take to be an outlier. There's no way other companies would be offering 15, 16. Then there is a company offering 18 point something. Okay, I will consider that as an outlier and take 16% to be the highest, and maybe take 12.3% to be the lowest. So on average, majority of the money market funds are currently offering an interest rate of between 13 and 14%. So that is the average as at April 2024. It all depends with the company you have invested in, but the average rate is around 13 to 14%, which is considerably some good interest. Another interesting feature of interest offered by money market fund is that interest on money market funds are compounded on a daily basis and reinvested in a monthly basis. So every money market fund company gives a rate on each and every day, because the funds held in your account will earn interest based on the given rate that day. So for money market funds, there is no constant rate, like the way we say for a treasury bond that this is the rate for this given treasury bond. That is not changing, or a fixed deposit. For money market funds, the interest changes each day. So we don't know the amount of interest that will be earned by that fund tomorrow, because the interest rate that will be earned by that fund tomorrow will only be given that particular day. So I want us to do some few calculations so as to understand, as when we say that interest is compounded on or calculated on a daily basis. So even if you are not a lover of maths, don't worry. There are just some simple calculations that you'll be able to follow through. I don't know at what level of education you are taught this, but I hope your primary school maths teacher did you a justice to mention to you that interest is given by a product of principal, rate, and time. For this case, I want us to use an example of an individual who has decided to deposit 10,000 into their money market fund account. What interest will they earn? And what do we mean when we say that interest is compounded on a daily basis? So interest is given by principal times rate times time. So our principal is the 10,000 we are using as an example. So I'm assuming the rate of that particular money market fund is around 13% per annum. It is important to note that it is 13% per annum, and our time is 1 day. That is 1/366 of an year, because the time need to be given in terms of years, because the rate is a per annum rate. So our interest will be given by the 10,000, you multiply by 13%, then you divide by 366, because we are finding the interest of 1 day. So that comes to about 3 shillings and 55 cents. So that is the interest that 10,000 deposited in a money market fund account will earn that day. So of course, the money market funds companies has automated systems that are able to do this on a daily basis. So you'll be able to earn your interest on a daily basis. So assuming that month has had 30 days, assuming the same rate, that 10,000 will earn an interest of around 106 shillings and 55 cents. Then we said that the interest is reinvested monthly. So this is the interest at the end of that 1 month. This means it will be reinvested in the following month, meaning for the following month, our principal amount will be 10,000. You add the 106 shillings and 55 cents and get the new principal of 10,106 and 55 cents. That is an example of an individual who had deposited 10,000 and did not make any top up on a daily basis or on a weekly basis. We have calculated using the 10,000 that was initially deposited, and that's how the interest for money market funds are calculated. I hope that's clear.